Good morning, everyone. So today is May 12th, 2023, and this is our third lesson. Okay, so we're going to start note reading. So let me share you the book. Uh, okay, so we're going to use Michael Aaron piano. You can actually open this sa Google. It's for free. You can download it. This is Michael Aaron Blue Book. Okay, class. Teachers, sister, very important. In music, we have lines. We call that ledger lines. Okay? And then for you to know kung right hand or left hand ang gagamitin mo, meron tayong tinatawag na clef signs. Pag ang notes malapit sa this is treble clef, you're going to use your right hand. If the notes are close to the bass clef, you will use your left hand. Okay, remember that. So these are the two kinds of clef, the treble clef, which is also called G clef. Kasi you will start your note, your G clef sa second line. And second line is letter G. Okay? There are 5 lines and 4 spaces.
Sir, yung treble clef po ba laging middle yon? Sa middle C?
No. Yung start niya nasa G. Okay.
Kasi di ba ang bass clef, dito siya?
Sa left hand siya. Left hand. From middle C going down. Okay, middle C going down. Ang treble clef, middle C going up. Okay. Remember that. So, sister, pag bass clef, which is also called an F clef kasi itong bilog niya nasa F, that is letter F. Or there's a pattern naman, sister. Pag treble clef, there are 5 lines. This is every good boy does fine.
That's fine.
Every good boy does fine.
That's fine.
Ang space, just remember the word face. F-A-C.
F-A-C-E.
Okay, remember that. Sa bass clef, good boy does fine always. Sa space, all cows eat grass.
Okay. Ano ba? Good boy?
Sa bass clef, yung first line natin is good boy does fine always. G7, good boy does fine always. And then sa space, all cows eat grass. Now, sister, pag nilagyan mo ng line sa gitna, we call that bar lines. Okay, we call that bar lines. But usually mga liturgy music, pag chant walang bar lines, free flow.
Sir, but may napapansin ako minsan sa mga line, may parang dalawa, may parang dark.
Pag double bar line, sister, it means it's the end of the piece. Okay. Pag dalawa, we call that double bar line. Pag walang
pero
double bar line,
parang inuulit sila kapag may bar line.
Sister, pag may tuldok sa second at saka third space, that is repeat mark. Ibig sabihin, you're going to repeat it again. That is a repeat. Okay. Pag one line, that is bar line. Pag 2 lines, end of the piece. Pag merong bilog sa second and third space, we call that a repeat mark. Okay. Anyway, we will go there, sister. Okay? Don't worry. Now, note values, you have to know the note values, sister. Pag bilog, matakaw, mataba, 4 counts. Okay? And ang kakambal niya, yung whole rest, nasa 4th line. Pag rest, sister, it means silence. You will just count. You will not play anything. Okay? Now, next is bilog na may buntot, na may dot. We call that dotted half note. Ididin mo yung chords for 3 or notes. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pag whole note, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pag dotted half note, tatlo. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pag half note, dalawa, sister. Bilog na may buntot. 1, 2. 1, 2. Pag quarter note, 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then meron siyang mga rest values. So just look at it. Pag quarter rest, para siyang letter S. No? Pag half note, mukha siyang hat, nasa third line. Okay. Pag whole note, nasa 4th line siya, para siyang ilaw. Okay.
Ang parang same sir yung yung whole rest, tsaka yung pang-apat, tsaka pangatlo.
Anong pang-apat, pangatlo?
Yung ito